Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what this is some bath bombs, if you guys can see right here, it's labeled bath bombs. It also says that when you guys throw this into the actual bath and whatnot, it actually will pop out a dinosaur inside. So not only are you guys getting like a bath bomb experience, but also you guys are getting a free dinosaur toy inside. So it's totally perfect for kids who love dinosaurs and whatnot, which is pretty awesome. The material that they use on the actual product itself, it is 100% organic. And then they also mention like all the ingredients on here. They give you guys the direction or instruction guide to teach you guys how to use the product itself. So fill your tub of warm water, select your favorite bath bomb, and then place it in. And then the bath bomb will dissolve in the water with rich foam and fizzers. And if you guys look at the back side, they tell you guys what each color represents. So this color will represent blueberry scent, and then this color right here is the ocean scent. This one is a strawberry scent, and then this one is a peppermint scent. So there's 4 different types of scent on here depending on what you guys prefer, but you guys can use all of them if you guys want to. When you guys first get the product, it definitely smells really good, but this is basically what it looks like when we open it up right here. If you guys can see, they have a little thank you card right here, and then this is what each one looks like if you guys can see. So this is the strawberry one right here, this is the peppermint, this is the ocean scent, and this is the blueberry scent. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out how well it works and when it actually works and everything is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go do a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the bathtub filled with water. We have our bath bomb here. Let's open up and then see how it works when we throw it in. Alright, we have our bath bomb. Let's throw it in. I mean, it's fizzing, but it doesn't seem like it's as fizzy as the other ones that you can find from other sellers in the market. But you definitely get like the smell of the actual scent that is provided. So this one is the peppermint one. So I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm going to let this finish up and then see what it looks like when it's done so we can see the dinosaur inside. So it looks like this is what is left over right now. Dinosaur! I found you! And the bath bomb too. So just to give you guys a size comparison of what it looks like and how big it is, that's the dinosaur that it comes with, and this is a cherry. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that I saw the test of the product, you can see it actually does work. I never ever used like a bath bomb before, so this was my first ever experience actually using it. It's definitely a very interesting and very cool kind of experience because you guys get to see like the whole foaming and like the fizzling action starting to build up and everything. You guys can see that small little dinosaur that was inside there. That was actually really cool and really perfect, especially if you guys have kids. But even if you guys don't have kids, you guys can give this as a gift to your family or your friends, kids and whatnot. The overall smell of the product is actually really strong. It actually made the whole entire room filled with that smell or scent. So that's actually really cool. But if you guys don't like that certain scent or smell, then you guys probably want to reconsider before throwing that into the actual bathtub itself. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one, especially if you guys have kids or if you guys want to give these as gifts to other people who have kids. Or if you guys just love doing bath bombs and you guys love dinosaurs, then you guys get a 2-in-1 right here, so that's totally perfect for you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today G Squad fan shout out day we have